Well, good Friday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord of mercy, I hope everybody's having a wonderful Friday. I'm looking forward to that weekend. But I'm here to tell y'all, it's hot as all get out over here in East Central Mississippi. It's hotter than a well digger's butt over here. And we are under a severe thunderstorm warning till about 2100 hours or 9 o'clock tonight. But what I want to share with you today is I completed a project. I'm gonna show it to you. Didn't shoot any video on it because it's been raining for the last, week, every afternoon and every evening, but I got it done. I'm gonna show you and I have some news for you. So that's what we finna do. All right, y'all, here we go. Look at him. Done finished up this dang hay rack. Look at there. I went ahead and put the tin around the sides of it. And I don't know if you can see this down at the bottom. I had some just old hardware cloth I had laying around. I went ahead and used some hardware cloth on the bottom just to hold that hay bale in. Now what I'm gonna tell you is, oh Lord, it's warm over here. What I'm gonna tell you is I had a few people say, hey Dan, you need to put you a stretcher down the middle of that. Yeah, I probably should have, but I was just trying to get this thing done because I really need to get that hay bale started. So we're gonna see what happens and the way that it's set up. I think it's gonna work. So I guess what we need to do is we need to sure enough try to put that hay bale in this hay rack. So give me a second, I'm gonna get set up and that's what we finna do. All right, y'all, there we go. I don't know, that hay bale just don't want to get in there, so I went ahead and pulled up my saddle, got it out. And we finna have to tame this thing right here. I ain't gonna lie, because it just ain't wanting to go in there. So, yeah, we finna have to get busy on that. Come on, man. Get in there. Woo. Yeah, get on in there. Oh, got some. Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah. Get on in there. Yeah. Woo, doggy. What y'all think? Oh, Lord, old Dan done lost his dang mind, but look at him. Got it in there. I didn't know that there was actually two sides to a hay bale. But as you can see, I got the like stick portions of the hay pointed up. So that's a good thing. And it's in there pretty good. We're gonna roll with it like that. And I think it's gonna work too. I don't know, we're finna have to see. What I'm gonna tell you is depending on how this thing grows, am I gonna build another box? Yes. Am I gonna wrap it in tin? No. I'm gonna try to find me some of those political signs or whatnot somewhere and try to use that. That tin is just rough because I had to cut it and whatnot. I wish I would have done a video on it. I couldn't because of the rain and it's just awfully hot out here. It is overcast, but gracious, the humidity is 100%, so it's just really hot. So I wanted to show y'all that the hay bale rack and the hay bale are now complete. So it's gonna be time to put something in there. Well, not yet. I'm actually gonna follow Mr. CB's method and his routine on getting this hay bale conditioned. And I'll probably start on that possibly tomorrow because it's getting kind of late in the evening right now. Probably start that tomorrow. So I wanted to show you and y'all that. I wanted to let y'all know the Home in the Sticks channel is creeping up on 4,000 subscribers. Lord of mercy, I'd have never thought. I want to thank everybody that watches my content and my videos, and sure enough want to tell you thank you for your support. Everybody's offered just a bunch of tips and help, and that's cool because that's what this channel is all about, sharing with a little bit of humor mixed in there with it. So what I'm going to tell you is once we hit 4,000 subscribers, we're going to do a show enough giveaway. I have a few things in mind that I want to do. I have some, well, I'm not going to spoil it. Once we reach that mile mark, I'll do another video and just tell you what I'm going to try to do for you and y'all, for all your support and help. If you like this video, go on and give it the thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord have mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look because I'm always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know it's coming. Dan sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. especially when you're trying to tame a hay bale. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.